Normally a lot that's 11,800 square feet in Canmore comes with a private park sign and a much higher price tag.
But here in Cougar Creek, you get the Three Sisters unobstructed views, the south-facing sun, and enough room to breathe.
With 5 bedrooms, a renovated interior, and a suite-ready basement.
If you're a local family looking for your forever home, you just found the one.
Quite a grand entrance into this beautiful home. You've got a formal living room here, formal dining room, and then we follow through to the kitchen.
They don't build houses like this anymore. This main floor is huge. We've got those 2 separate living spaces that we'll get to the second one in just a moment. But then we've got this beautiful renovated kitchen, and it looks out through this bank of south-facing windows, again over that huge fenced backyard.
It's rare to find this much backyard space in Canmore.
This is a family and a gardener's dream for a backyard. We're south-facing. You've got lots of room for the kids to run around and get tired. There's places for hot tubs, there's places for swing sets. There's also lots of space for that gardener's dream with your planters to grow your own vegetables. So that spaciousness from the main level actually carries on and continues up to this upper level. We've got 2 large bedrooms just to my left, a 4-piece washroom, and then your very own private primary suite with its own private deck. The views are to die for. We're going to show you those in a second, but first, Kyle's got something else pretty special to show you.
I'm not sure whether to have my morning coffee on the deck outside or in this renovated shower ensuite. It's amazing. If that was your formal living area and dining area, then this is where the family gathers. Wood-burning fireplace, incredible views, access to the backyard, and absolutely tons of sun.
Rounding out this main level, you have an office, laundry and a washroom, access to your garage, as well as access to your lower level.
So we're in the lower level of the house, which is actually about half above grade, amazing for natural light. If you've got teenagers, this would make an incredible family room.
And if you don't need this lower level for family space, it's ideal for an extra 2-bedroom suite. We've got 2 bedrooms behind me with a washroom, a separate access off the side of the house, and then as Kyle showed you, that huge living space.
Thank you so much for watching.
As always, our contact information is just below, and we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.